Flexible part-time jobs that you can do from home? I got you covered. The first company you can explore is Cambly. They hire part-time online English tutors to help individuals with their conversational English skills. No experience is needed for these positions. With Cambly, you'll make $10.20 an hour tutoring adults and $12 an hour tutoring kids. In these independent contracting positions, you'll get paid weekly and you can tutor anytime and anywhere. Cambly gets a 3.5-star rating on Glassdoor.com. The second company you can explore is ARC Quality Solutions, and they hire online mystery shoppers. With these positions, you can log into their platform and work on projects anytime that you have available. ARC gets a 3.5-star rating on Glassdoor.com. The third company you can explore is Appen. They hire independent contractors for translation, transcription, data collection, search engine evaluation, social media, and linguistics projects. With these positions, you get to choose your own projects, you'll have a flexible work schedule, and they have both long and short-term projects available. Appen gets a 3.6-star rating on Glassdoor.com. The fourth company you can explore is ACD Direct. They hire independent agents to work from home, providing customer support. ACD Direct hires in all states except California, Delaware, Massachusetts, Louisiana, West Virginia, Wyoming, Vermont, and South Dakota. For inbound phone call work, agents will earn 20 to 32 cents per talk minute. New agents who have never contracted with ACD Direct before start at 25 cents per talk minute. In these independent contracting roles, you'll get paid twice a week via direct deposit. All agents select their work shifts and maintain their own schedules in their online portal. ACD Direct gets a 3-star rating on Glassdoor.com. The fifth company you can explore is Rev. They hire freelancers for transcription, captioning, and subtitling work. In these freelance roles, you'll get to create your own schedule, choose your own projects, and you'll get paid weekly via PayPal. Transcriptionists earn 30 up to 110 per audio minute. Captioners earn 54 up to 110 per audio minute. And subtitlers earn 150 up to $3 per audio minute. Rev gets a 3.6-star rating on Glassdoor.com. For more part-time jobs that you can do from home, head on over to theworkathomewoman.com.